Namaste. Welcome to Green Living Path. I'm Al Yogi. Thumbs up, everybody. Green Living Tribe. Let's lift our vibration each day. Now, this video will change your life, transform it. If you don't quit, and if you don't give up, and if you keep going, which are all the same thing. But the key is to not let anybody, and I'm saying anybody, stop you from achieving your goals, guys, from being successful, from being the person you truly want to be. Do not let anybody stand in your way. Anybody that is pulling you down, anybody that is putting negative comments towards you or giving you bad advice, just don't hang out with them. Move on. Wait till you achieve your goals, just each day. And another thing is that's the first thing, don't let anybody stop you. I mean anybody, parents, friends, best friend, partner, whatever. You must follow your truth that's in your heart, that's aligned with your highest good, guys. Because if you don't do that, you're not living up to your true self and your true highest potential that you're here for, guys. So the second thing is, don't let yourself get in the way. The self-doubts you have every day. See them that it's the program in your subconscious that's trying to pull you down. Just see it for what it is. It's negative programs that have been put in by TVs, by people, by friends, by abusive partners, by negative people in your life. Just see that it's a program and focus 100% on achieving your goals every single day. Align yourself mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually, aligning yourself every single day, guys. Now, you've got nothing to lose. Each day, you just think about it. You've got nothing to lose. You're starting here, you've got nothing to lose. Go for it. Now, another thing is, get a piece of paper and write down all the qualities that you admire and the person that you'd like to be loved by, and become all those qualities. Then write down all your dream life, what you want to do with your life, which country you want to live in, what you want to be doing. In my case, surfing and doing yoga and helping people with mindset, psychology. I've got a science background, and I've obviously studied yoga, Vedanic scriptures, and I write books on yoga for many, many years. But follow your passion, follow it each day so that you're aligning with yourself. So write it all down, and then studies have shown by visualizing every single day, your brain doesn't know what's real and what's real. People have shown that just by visualizing images or doing tasks like dunking a basketball or shooting a basketball, they found that their success goes up just by visualizing it. And this is what studies have shown. What they found is the brain is actually building from visualizing neural networks just from imagination in your brain. So visualize it every single day. Now, another thing that you want to do is you want to make up a slideshow of your dream life from the morning, where you want to be, by the ocean for me, surfing, doing yoga, living in a tropical place, having a nice mansion by the water, then helping people. You want to also have the element of helping others, giving to others as well, and giving to yourself. That's a big one, guys, a big one. Is being kind to yourself. Knowing that, and also once you're doing all these things, have this emotional intelligence, emotions, a feeling that you know you're going to achieve it. Just you know that no matter what, you're going to achieve it. Just like I know that I'm going to be successful. Just a knowing, a deep knowing within inside yourself, resonating with that self, and you're resonating with that self, that visualizing image of yourself with all those things. You're resonating with that by knowing each day. So this is really important, to do all these things on a daily basis. As Steve Jobs said, the number one thing to be successful, the only thing he said that you need to remember is perseverance. Which means no matter what happens on the path, all the things, programming, people, whatever that life throws at you, know that you're going to not quit, and you're going to persevere, and you're going to just keep going. And see how it's going up, and you're slowly going up, guys, or fast going up. And you just want to keep going with that perseverance, that absolute conviction that you're going to achieve your goals, guys. And when you realize that you can do that, things start happening. It's really weird. Things start manifesting in your life. You get given things. And another thing, a huge thing, is being grateful. Just for the small things initially, being grateful for the clothes, the electric lights, the water I drink, the bed I sleep in, the beautiful bush and the ocean around where I live, the beautiful river that runs past my place, the beautiful animals, the paradise ducks that I feed every day, the little sparrows that I feed on the table, being grateful for them, being grateful for everything in your life. Because what happens with a lot of people, the majority of people, they just take it for granted and they forget about it. They always focus on the negative stuff. Now that leads me to whatever you focus on, because your mind doesn't know the difference, you constantly looking at positive affirmations, visualizing, writing down what your dream life is, constantly feeding your mind with positive information, and then taking action. So there's the two prerequisites: the knowledge, visualizing all the knowledge that's going into your mind, and then taking action with it every single day, guys. And then what will happen, it'll set you free. You'll be a totally different person from where you were 6 months ago to where you are now 6 months. Totally different person. You'll be like, wow, blown away, like chalk and cheese, night and day. So that's what will happen. You'll be a metamorphosis will take place, and you'll just transform, which is a beautiful thing. So don't let anything stand in your way. Be absolutely focused on living your dream life, and each day treat as a game, which I do, is to lift my vibration as my primary objective every single day. And then what happens is life becomes magical, because your objective is to, in the game of life, is to move up constantly. No matter what life throws at you, or good or bad, makes no difference. You're going to move on up. You're going to become more loving, more successful, more compassionate, more giving, and more peak physical health, more youthful, more giving, more compassionate. All these qualities that you start becoming, guys. It's really important. So it's awesome. As always, we're all a work in progress, which makes it beautiful, because when you're a work in progress, you're always climbing. A lot of people, they might get something or their life, and then they sit there and they become complacent. Always be growing. Always be expanding your paradigm. Always be growing your vibration, because then life has got its magic in it, and the magic in you. Because without the growth every single day, life loses its magic, guys. So I hope that helped. Boop, subscribe, tab the bell. I've got a book below that I've written 18 books and 5 novels. So like always, Green Living Path, I'm really proud of how far you guys have come. And if you're watching this to the end, which you are, the key is you've got perseverance. I believe in you. I love you. And I know that you're going to succeed, because most people throw the towel in halfway through the video or a minute through the video, but you've made it this far. So I'd like to commend you for that. Lots of love, guys. Bye for now.